Hai semua, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Oke teman-teman, kali ini saya lagi berada di supermarket ya. Dan kali ini seperti biasa saya mau belanja. Oke, dan seperti biasa juga saya mau beli daging teman-teman. Beli daging babi untuk masak sup. Oke teman-teman, belanjanya di sini udah selesai ya. Kali ini cuma beli daging saja di sini. Dan sekarang saya mau beli sayuran. Don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Oke teman-teman, udah selesai beli sayurnya ya. Dan sekarang saya mau ke toko Indonesia. I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel worse. Oke teman-teman, kali ini saya ke toko Indonesianya, toko yang di bawah rumah ya. Oke teman-teman, tadi mampir ke 7-Eleven sebentar ya. Hai. Oke teman-teman, kali ini saya OTW pulang ya. Kali ini nggak belanja banyak sih teman-teman, cuma belanja itu tadi aja. Sama beli makanan seperti biasa ya di toko Indo. Sekarang kayaknya udah memasuki musim semi gitu teman-teman. Sudah mau musim panas. Jadi hawanya panas, agak panas. Oke teman-teman, sekarang udah sampai di bawah rumah ya, dan sekarang masih nunggu lift. Oke teman-teman, alhamdulillah sekarang udah sampai di rumah ya, dan hari ini juga nggak belanja banyak teman-teman kali ini. Tadi ke pasar cuma beli beli sayur untuk sup teman-teman. Nah ini beli apa? Kalau di sini namanya tungkwa teman-teman. Kalau di Indonesia apa ya? Labu ya. Terus ada daging babi. Terus tadi juga beli apa? Telur asin teman-teman. Ini nanti dimasak sup ya, dicampur sama sayur tadi. Terus tadi mampir ke 7-Eleven juga beli Milo atau yogurt. Terus tadi ke toko Indonesia ya, beli makanan untuk makan siang teman-teman. Beli nasi campur, hari ini nggak ada nasi padang atau yang lainnya. Terus tadi saya juga beli apa? Susu teman-teman, beli susu saset ya. Nah ini tadi beli 1 renteng. Sebenarnya ada sih yang pack besar gitu, tapi saya sukanya itu yang saset kayak gini teman-teman. Jadi sekali bikin 1 saset, sekali bikin 1 saset gitu teman-teman. Jadi lebih higienis ya, nggak diciduk terus ditutup dibuka tutup gitu. Jadi aku sukanya beli yang sasetan kayak gini. Oke teman-teman, untuk kali ini videonya sampai di sini dulu ya. apa namanya, terima kasih buat kalian yang selalu stay tune di video saya. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum, bye.